Explore the captivating world of farm animals in this educational video, designed to enhance kids' vocabulary. Get to know the cow, horse, sheep, hen, rabbit, donkey, goat, dog, cat, and many more adorable creatures. It's a delightful journey into the farmyard, filled with fun and learning. Let's go. Cow. Cow. Horse. Horse. Pig. Pig. Chicken. Chicken. Sheep. Sheep. Duck. Duck. Goat. Goat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Turkey. Turkey. Goat. Goat. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Donkey. Donkey. Ferret. Ferret. Rooster. Rooster. Llama. Llama. Alpaca. Alpaca. Chick. Chick. Ostrich. Ostrich. Emu. Emu. Pigeon. Pigeon. Parakeet. Parakeet. Cockatiel. Cockatiel. Finch. Finch. Quail. Quail. Peacock. Peacock. Parrot. Parrot. Mule. Mule. Elk. Elk. Deer. Deer. Water buffalo. Water buffalo. Camel. Camel. Swan. Swan. We had a fantastic time exploring the farm and getting to know our furry and feathered friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the farmyard fun with your friends. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.